G here from OG Creations. June is Pride Month, so here at OGC, we will be celebrating month-long. OGC is a safe space where you can express yourself how you see yourself. I will always be excited to create a custom order that embodies who you are, or if you just feel like sharing your story with a complete stranger, I'm a DM away. The world definitely needs more kindness in it, and here you have my love and admiration for being who you were born to be. This year, my Pride 2023 series is made up of 5 new groupings: Proud to Be You, Neon Pride, Swirled Pride, Neon Rainbow Glitch, and Rainbow Sunburst. The groupings are paired with a how-to video and will be released each Friday in the month of June.
Hello everybody! My name is June!
This week, I will be showing you how I made the Swirled Pride tees and tings. I start with a damp black 100% cotton men's tee. I create my spiral by using a hard plastic food cover and a hemostat. I noticed that the teeth on the hemostat would sometimes create small holes in the shirt that I wouldn't even notice until I was ironing it. I've wrapped the teeth of the hemostat with painter's tape, protecting the cotton from being ripped. Once my spiral is created, I remove the hemostat and plastic cover and work the shirt into a tighter spiral, securing with rubber bands.
I never knew before they did it all with rubber bands.
I apply a 2-to-1 water to bleach solution for 20 minutes.
I'm scared!
The shirt is then soaked in a 5-to-1 peroxide to water solution for 10 to 15 minutes. It is then rinsed in cold water for about 5 minutes before being placed in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. For this shirt, I will be using Procyon dye shades in Chinese Red, Orange Crush, Grape Purple. blue.
It's oozy and it's green. Ew. Sorry. Bright yellow. Allow the shirt to set for 30 minutes and then flip them over, repeating the same process to the back. The shirt is then processed for 24 hours in a warmer space, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I rinse them in cold water and then slowly increase the temperature to hot. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, they are added to my Etsy store, ready for purchase. This and all my other Pride items are now available. Get yours by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. And this is just another example on why I'm dedicated to reverse tie-dye. I mean, what a quintessential tie-dye shirt. When you think of tie-dye, this is what your mind sees. From sunny picnics to late nights in the bar, it's a perfect shirt for celebrating. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments section what you would like to see created next. Happy Pride!